If you work with Commercial Investors Group, this video is for you. Here is exactly how we work together. CIG manages value-add commercial construction projects across the Minneapolis metro. We have a clear process, and we need our trade partners to follow it. Every project starts with a request for proposal. When you receive one from us, read it fully before responding. Scope, timeline, and specifications are all included. When you submit your bid, break it down. Line item pricing, your proposed timeline, and any assumptions or exclusions. No lump sums. Clean bids move faster. All communication goes through your assigned project manager. Email is preferred. Do not route questions through multiple contacts. One point of contact keeps things moving. We run our projects through Buildertrend. Your bids, schedules, and site documentation all live there. You will receive an activation link. Activate your Buildertrend profile before your first project kickoff. It takes less than 5 minutes and keeps you connected to everything happening on site.